Hi, I'm Joanna from Up to Date Skills, and today I'm going to show you how to see which WordPress theme is active in your WordPress dashboard. When we start a WordPress website, we are offered multiple themes to choose from. Once we select a theme and begin customizing it, WordPress marks it as the active theme. To find out which theme is active on your website, you can click on your website and then go to Themes, or you can go to your dashboard. If you go to your dashboard, look for the Appearance option on your left pane, and then click on Themes. This will display all the themes installed on your WordPress website. The active theme will be marked as active. You can see here that I'm using the Astra theme. It's marked as active, and I can customize it. You might also notice other themes listed in your WordPress dashboard, like these two that I have here, 2025 and 2024. Since they're not being used, I can go ahead and delete them. If you want to delete an inactive theme, it's really simple. Here you will only see the options Activate and Live Preview. To delete a theme, though, you just need to hover over it and click on it. This will bring up the delete option. You can see it here. Once you hit delete, the theme will be removed, but you can always get it back. Let's just delete this one so that I can show you how you can do that. The theme I deleted was 2024. So if I wanted to add it again, I would click on Add New Theme. And then I would be able to bring it back again just by hitting Install. I don't really want to bring it back again, so I can just go back to my themes page. Before you go, let me just say that if you choose not to delete inactive themes, do keep in mind that it's important to keep them updated for security reasons. And that's it for today. Please hit the like button if you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe to the Up to Date Skills YouTube channel for updates on new videos. See you next time.